Hello guys, welcome back to my garden. Today I am going to try and harvest the potato out of my garden bed. This is the experiment that I did for garden bed versus grow bag, and I just want to see how this works. And it's also another experiment. I don't know if I even mentioned with my potatoes that I put in the ground were just potatoes that were sprouting in the home. They're not organic potatoes or potato seed, but they were sprouting, and most potatoes, well, the potatoes that are in a bag in the grocery stores are usually sprayed with a sprout inhibitor to prevent them from sprouting while they're on the shelves. But I had some that did sprout, and so I thought I'm going to try and see if this works. Next year I'll actually be using seed potatoes for the potatoes in my garden, but I just want to see if they will grow and see how this will work. So right now I'm going to, I don't even have a pitchfork or anything like that to try and pull the potatoes out. So I'm just going to use a little shovel and just kind of shovel away gently the soil to see if we have any growth. But here is the potato that I'm going to harvest. Now, I've never harvested a potato. This is my first year trying this, and I just want to see how this will go. So this one's been in the ground since April when I put in my broccoli. So I have to try and see if I can harvest this. I don't know if I can actually pull out a potato and anything will come out with it. So there is some little tiny potatoes on here. So I might not actually have any growth. And let's see if that will work. So I'm just going to move this broccoli out of the way. And I'm going to take this small trowel and just kind of dig down and see if I have any potatoes. I really don't know if I do or not. And I don't know how long I should have left those potatoes in, because I was under the impression that you wait. Oh, what is that? The ugliest thing I've ever seen. It was a demon bug. I don't know what you would call it. No. Guys, oh, you can't even see me. I am so sorry. I'm just digging down. So I just dug down here, and sure enough, I've got a potato, and that's a pretty good sized potato. This is incredible. Even if I just get one, that's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna keep digging because I wouldn't know where these potatoes would grow. So, another potato. Oh guys, this is so sweet. Oh, I don't want to stab the potato, so I'm just going to keep digging. I wouldn't even know where the potatoes would grow to. So, a grub. Is all I'm going to get. I'm going to get some gloves now. I have this bowl that I've been keeping out in the garden, and I've been using it for multiple things. It's helped me harvest. I've taken my wood chips and transplanted my wood chips with it, and now it's going to hold onto some of this soil because I need to get the soil out to see if I have more potatoes. And there's no, I don't know how else to try and find my potatoes. I did scrape it a little bit, but that's okay. I'll wash it off. How far do I dig? And do I only have 3 potatoes in here? And if so, that is fine, because no, this is a potato. Could very well be. It is. Okay. I don't know how to get around it. I don't want to. Oh, it's a little tiny one. It's a tiny potato. Maybe I should have let this go longer. And lift up. Aw. I stabbed it, but there's another potato. I've got 4 big potatoes, good sized potatoes. And it smells like potatoes here. Another potato. Okay. I might have all the potatoes I'm gonna get. Another potato. So guys, there is my potato harvest. There was other small ones sprouting, but I know I probably wouldn't have gotten anything from them anyways. So here is my harvest for 1 potato from the grocery store, and I think I can have dinner tonight with fresh potatoes. I am so super excited about that. I think I might wait to see about this one here. So this one is already flowered. It's already dying back. Like, I'm wondering if I should harvest this one as well. I have no clue when to harvest potatoes. Well guys, I've decided I am not going to start harvest the grow bag. I'm gonna see if I can let those grow a little longer. But I do have enough potatoes for dinner tonight. There is only 3 of us. I wish I could weigh these because I have a scale, a food scale, which I wish I had. But I am so super excited about this. Trying fresh potatoes from my own garden. It's unbelievable to think that I used something that we did not know whether or not it would grow from, but what's the harm in trying? And I feel like this is super successful, and I'm so happy and excited about this. So I know that next year I'm gonna try and grow things that I find easy, and so far, like, there has been things that have been challenging to me, but the most successful things so far, this is only July 21st, and I'm just so super excited. So we have harvested broccoli already, which broccoli seems to be working really well for me. And my peppers are really starting to come along. Last year was not successful, but this year it looks like I am going to have some successful times with that. I think I'm gonna have an abundance of tomatoes this year, which I'm looking forward to. My onion, I've already harvested one onion, and I can put a picture here. And that onion is because I ran out of onions at home. I'm not liking the prices of onions in the grocery stores. So I decided to harvest one of my onions and chop it up and put it into my spaghetti sauce. So I did do that. My squashes are already to a good start. I'm already harvesting beans, cucumbers. My pickling cucumbers I'm already harvesting. So it looks like the 3 cucumbers that I had in my garden are all pickling cucumbers, which I'm not upset about because my husband can't eat cucumbers without it being a pickle or something that's already been processed somewhat, because regular cucumbers give him heartburn, and so I think he has some type of sensitivity to it. So I'm glad that we have the pickles. But I have so much growth in this garden right now. This is not meant to have been where my garden is, so it's actually supposed to be harvesting my first potatoes. So anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys my first potato harvest. I'm super excited about this. I can't wait to try this. And thank you guys for following along with me on this journey. It certainly has been a journey. My husband is absolutely excited about tonight's dinner, and so am I, so I will let you know how that goes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to follow along on my journey, go ahead and click the subscribe button. That would be amazing. I'm just so excited about where this journey is going to take me for 2022. It is currently raining right now, and I'm going to go inside, but thank you so much, and until next time, guys.